Glory, Kiki, Femi, and Stephanat, all four are choir members of the Jesus You Cuckoo the Watch Pentecostal Church in Lagos, Nigeria. And here's my story. At some point, Kiki became very withdrawn. Obviously, she was going through some tough times and she looked like she was very ill. She had lost some weight and I was not looking happy. Glory noticed and was all over her friend, wanted to help her, but Kiki wouldn't just talk. Yet, it was like hell within. On one Sunday in church, Pastor preached on two things, and it was like he was speaking directly at Kiki. He said, God can forgive any sin, and that we should learn to lean on people and share our problems. In his words, there are lovely brothers and sisters in church that will be willing to share your burdens. Do not fight alone in silence. After service, Kiki was really looking forward to speaking with Glory, and they did.
Thank you so much, Glory. Thank you for your constant love and kindness.
You're welcome. It's our friends for.
It's been really crazy. I've been really ill lately from complications from the abortion. And Pastor's message today was greatest healing. And I've also been suffering from condemnation from this whole thing.
See, God loves you. God loves you. And the blood of Jesus Christ cleanses from all sins. And I love you too. Let us pray. In Jesus' name, amen. Our Father, we thank you. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Oh, Sister Kiki, please, I know that you have spent a lot of money on all this expensive stuff. Please, take this 25,000 to augment all that you have spent. Yesterday I felt I needed to withdraw money. I didn't know what for, but I think I understand why now. Yeah? Please, just manage it and take care of yourself. You're welcome.
18 months after, Femi, a great singer and a top HR pro with a blue chip, joined the church and the choir. He just returned from Belarus. He became close to both Glory and Kiki. Both ladies also were interested in him. Femi actually met Glory first. Glory introduced Femi to Kiki, hence somehow Glory was taking ownership. After choir rehearsal one evening, Stephanat saw Femi and Kiki having something like a very intimate chat.
Femi, where you go? Kiki. Hey. You guys put together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, see you guys later. Alright.
And right after that, Stephanat went to Glory.
Oh God. I'm doing.
Hey, what's up?
So you're here to do that.
Wow.
I thought you told me about your guy. So you like the new guy.
My guy? Femi.
Yes.
What happened?
Your guy that Kiki is still with.
Is this a joke or something?
You should know I'm not joking.
Kiki's claiming my own guy.
No, you calm down. Don't be jealous. Don't be sort it out.
Kiki's remote is in my hand. You should forget it. Everything is in my hand. No, this is not about being jealous. You shouldn't worry. She's here.
Don't be sort it out for me.
Kiki. I will show her. She's right here. Everything is here.
The next thing, Glory put up a post and tagged all choir members. Open quote, "We are not like some people that cannot put their legs together, using their looseness to steal boys from friends. And now they will be crying that God is not forgiving them after they have committed abortion." Quote closed. Of course, there was chaos in the choir. My questions are: 1. Why would Sefinat do that? What was she trying to achieve? Number 2, why do we always respond to hearsays without checking further? That was Glory's problem, and a lot of us are guilty. Number 3, I think Glory has some manipulative tendencies, and there are a lot of us that are like this. Because you know my secrets, you want to use them to control me. Thank you very much for staying with me again this week. I'll see you next week. Bye.